use Tinder on your app. So we will go to figure out the solution. So all you have to do to use your Tinder app. So in first we will go to your profile. To manage your profile, just click in this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here in this sign. When you just click here in this sign, when you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. So just switching to open video like this here. Here if you want to get super likes and get bots, here go to recognition here if you want to get premium to use video. And here can you add your phone number, and here use your location here if you want to choose your location to see Tinder members in other cities here. And here you're going global here will allow you to see people neighbor and from around the world here. If you want to disable it or enable it here, and here you select distance, so or global here. Here you add your preferred language in this sign, and here can you add more language when you click on it. Here maximum distance, and here people you want to date, if you want to add here men or woman or everyone. So in another step here can you select age range here. So people you want to show for you, age for people you want to show for you, here can you manage it in the maximum number of photos. So then here can you add your interests. If you want to add here you're looking for, then here add language, and here your interests, then here zodiac, and here education, family plans. So here add all your information here about you. So then here control who can see you, here can you select it, but before that you have to get your premium Tinder, and here you control your visibility if you want to add standard or recognition here. Here if you want to enable discover or not. So in here control who message you, if you want to add a photo verified chat, you enable it here only or not. So here to verify your account, just click here on and you click here on next, and you click here on agree. So then you click here on continue here, then here you enable your camera, then you take a picture and for your information, then it's going to verify your account on your Tinder app. So in here you manage receipts if you want to disable it or enable it. Here block contacts, you will find here when you click on it you will find all block contacts here in this list. Then here can you manage autoplay videos, can you manage it here in this sign. So then here if you want to manage another settings here so participate in events, and here manage direct messages, here manage swipes short here, and here manage active status, then here another notifications from email and push notifications here. So then here you show your distance, then here can you manage your payment account here, and here manage Google Play account, then restore purchases. So and here down can you log out of your account here. So then we will go to talk to your profile, just click in this sign here, and here can you add your photos. It's this photos, it's just for example here, and you add another photos for you. You click on this sign, then you add it, you add how many photos you want to add, just add it in this list here. So then here if you want to disable smart photo or not, and here add about you, then here if you want to select a prompt here, then here your interest is going to show for you, relationship goals, and here your height and language, and here another basic information in here lifestyle. So then here can you add your job title and your company, your school and your living in. And here if you want to link with your Instagram, and here if you want to link with your so here or my anthem, can you add here your anthem here. And here if you want to add Spotify to your profile, so then here you select your gender in this list, then you go down here, control your profile. If you want to show your age, you enable this sign. If you don't, just click disable it. And here if you want to don't show your distance, just click in this sign. If you want to show it, you disable it here. So here can you manage your profile here. So in here you will find all messages you have in this list. Can you find it? Then here it's going to show for you here topics in this list. So can you send to them invitation? And here people who likes you will find them here in this list. If you want to see them, you have to get your premium inverse. And here you will find Tinder Explore. Can you find here Explore? Tinder Explore in this list. So then here can you just click on it. It's going to show for you here people you want to date. If you want to accept them, just click in this sign to like them. If you want to reject them, you click in this sign here. So here can you get so here post, or here can you, if you want to get post, just click on this sign here. And here above this you will find your notifications, click on it. Here you will find all activity you have in this list. I have nothing, but if you have it you will find it. And here you will just click on it. So you click on this sign here, and here you manage your discovery settings here. We talked about this before, so can you manage it only in this. So when you want to send a message, we will go, for example, to send a message to another app here. So I'm going to like this, for example, just click in this sign here. So here I have no gender watch, so just click on this sign here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you like this here. And here you find all information about this person. Then here can you type a message, can you send a message to this person here. So and here if you want to block it or share her profile or report this person, so here can you find all this. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.